What is up, guys and girls? Today we're going to be going over how to sound like Guccihighwaters. Basically, he is a person who sings melodic music about, just stuff. So, aka Not Morgan is his beat making name. So yeah, this is Guccihighwaters right here to skateboard. Yeah, do that. Alright, so let's get into the tutorial. This is not going to be going over the effects and all that on his voice because it's basically different. I couldn't replicate it right. Basically, all he does is just harmonize with his vocals. And it's just layering and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just play a quick sample without the beat.
I get no sympathy for the first girl, wishing I could read your rolling eyes. In the first place, that shit makes me wanna die.
Okay, so we got that, and then we have so we just have one layer of vocal, and then here's your second layer.
I get no sympathy for the first girl, wishing I can read her rolling eyes. Yeah, in the first place.
So you get those two, and just basically layer them on top of each other, and it sounds like this.
I get no sympathy for the first girl, wishing I can read her rolling eyes. Yeah, in the first place. That shit makes me wanna die. Bitch,
and go ahead and add the instrumental, and you have a song like Not Morgan or Guccihighwaters.
I get no sympathy for the first girl, wishing I can read her rolling eyes. Yeah, in the first place, that shit makes me wanna die. Bitch, I'm just kidding.
Alright guys, so if you enjoyed the tutorial, or not a tutorial, just how to sound like Guccihighwaters, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll be leaving the FLP for all this in the description box below, so you'll be getting the, all this effects and stuff. Oops. Yeah, I messed that up. But that is it. If you want to see more, comment down below, tell me who you want to see, and subscribe if you're new, and join the family, alright? Peace.